Hey, what's going on, everybody? Yes, this is an experiment because I have not done a moto vlog in a long time, and this is a new mic adapter because I had sold my last one. I had given up on moto vlogs. I was like, I'm done. But then I kind of missed it a little bit, so I was like, occasionally maybe I want to get on the bike and make a video. It's easy content, it's easy to edit, and I think some of y'all enjoy it a little bit. So there we go. That is the plan. And if you're thinking, what, you're gonna draw the letter for August? It's already August. Yes, because I have failed. I have failed myself and I have failed you. And I am sorry. What happened to July? Where did July even go? Did I miss it? I think I did. Pretty sure I missed July. We drew the letter for July. That letter was F. It's stupid because I even made a list of the places I wanted to go. This is a little bit scrambled, you guys, but if you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, I started doing the Touring TRiBe Challenge in June. And what we do is, and you can find all this information over on Patreon, patreon.com/touringmidwest. That is a membership site, but that any post related to the Touring TRiBe Challenge is public. It's public, so you do not have to support the content here on Touring Midwest to take part in the Touring TRiBe Challenge. But if you do, I appreciate it. So I just put it over on Patreon because it's a good place to have it. So here's what we do. We have a list of 10 categories. And each of those categories, the answer has to start with a certain letter. Every month we draw a new letter. The letter for June was C, the letter for July was F, and we'll draw the letter for August in this video, so stay tuned for that. I'll post all that information over on the old Patreon, and then you just get after it. Get out there, find the answers to your categories that start with the letter for the month, snap yourself a picture in front of it, get those selfie things going. I know y'all love selfies. We all love selfies. You know what else you could do? You could throw your motorcycle in the picture. Just throw that motorcycle in there. You don't have to ride motorcycle to play the Touring TRiBe Challenge. You can go around in your minivan. I don't care. Just have fun. Get out there and explore. That's what this game is all about. Getting out there and exploring. I like to kind of influence and encourage, and what other words are good that start with I? Influence. I know encourage doesn't start with an I. Stop it. It definitely does not start with an I, but I like to encourage anyways. Encourage and inspire and influence, right? I like to do all those things. I want to see y'all get out there and explore. Explore your town, your city, explore your state, explore your region where you live, and explore your country. You got a vacation planned? Where are you going? You can play this game wherever you go, wherever you are. Just get out there. Get out there and share that. What you do is you share that on Instagram, you tag Touring Midwest on Instagram, you do a little hashtag. The hashtag is changing for the month of August, y'all. The hashtag changes every month anyways, but it's getting shorter for the month beginning in the month of August. We're going to shorten it up. We're going to get rid of the TM. So we're shortening it to TT Challenge, and then it'll be the month 08, the year 20, and the letter of the month, which we'll find out very shortly. But before we do all that, I want to share with y'all the 9 posts, the 9 submissions for the letter F that were submitted in July. Here y'all go. Here y'all go. Alright, there it is, guys. How was it? It's good, right? It's a fun game. You get out there, you explore. We're going to draw that letter coming right up. But I just wanted to say, I think I started saying it at the beginning of this video. It was stupid for July because I had it. I made a list of places that I could go to very nearby my home and just go snap some pictures and get it completed for July. But I wanted to save those as a backup because I thought if I got out and explored, I could just find them. But I didn't. I didn't. And then July was gone. It was just gone. And JC Oliva messaged me the other day and he said, hey, did I miss the August letter? I was like, no, dude. I'm working on a project. I was supposed to have a video out last Friday. I ended up having to delete the whole edit and completely start over because I just couldn't get it. I couldn't get it, so I started fresh. Sometimes you just got to start over. And I did that, and I missed last week's upload because of that, but I have it now. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. It's going to premiere Friday night. Friday night during the 8 o'clock Central Time hour of power, sometime in there. So I'll be right back. This is my P.O. box. That's my P.O. box. Send me things. Send me mail. You know what these are, y'all? These are socks. These are socks. These are magic socks. And you're supposed to be able to wear these things for days. I would not. I won't be able to wrap my mind around that. Look, these socks are good for a week of stink-free travel. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? They reached out. They wanted to send me some. I like them. I like socks. But I'm not going to wear them for a week. We'll get back to that in a future episode of Touring Midwest. Y'all are going to love this. Ready? Oh, it started up pretty good. The battery. Anyway, this moto vlog is getting carried away. It is getting carried away. We're gonna draw that letter. Okay? Let's do it. All right, well, here we are. We're here at the computer. We're gonna spin the alphabet wheel, get that letter for August so everybody can get a go on this, even though it's like August 5th by now. So good luck to everybody. Have fun. Explore your letter for the month of August. Is E. The letter is E. hard is that going to be? I don't know. We'll find out. Good luck, everybody. Have fun. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you next time on Touring Midwest.